myself Rupa. Welcome to First PUC Business Studies class. Today in this session we will study about the Business Studies first chapter, that is nature and purpose of business. So what is business? What is the meaning of business? What are the activities and what are the differences and what is the objective of business and what is the role of profit in business? That all we'll study in this chapter. So the first thing, that is meaning of business. So this is the meaning of business. Business refers to an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production, sale of goods and services with a view to earn profit. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್. Through this, their intention is to earn the profit. By this, they do the business in order to earn a profit, to earn a living, and to lead their livelihood. So, this is the meaning of business. Human beings have different types of needs and wants. So in order to fulfill their needs and wants, the human beings have to do some activity. So human activities has been classified into economic activity and non-economic activity. So what is this economic activity means? Those activities whose objective is to earn money, and to create wealth. This economic activity is the aim only to earn profit in order to meet their necessities and their facilities in order to earn the money. And non-economic activity is those activities whose aim is to not to earn money but to satisfy only their social and emotional needs. What are the examples for these economic activity is people working in factories, a chef cooking food in restaurant, a teacher teaching in a school. These are the examples of economic activity. And non-economic activity is a housewife cooking food for her family and a teacher training her daughter at home. These are the examples for non-economic activity. So these are the activities a person or a human being has to follow to meet their necessities and to earn money. The concept of business we have done. Now what are the characteristics of business is, the first point is in that an economic activity. Business is considered to be as an economic activity because we earn profit in business, we earn gain, we earn money in business. So business is considered to be as an economic activity. And the second point is production and procurement of goods and services. Business includes all the activities concerned with production or procurement of goods and services for sales. Service includes transportation, banking, insurance, etc. Goods may consist of consumable item. So production and procurement of goods and services will also include transportation and banking and also the insurance. So production activities also will be included in the business activities. So production, manufacturing and procurement of goods and services, it all includes in the business. For example, that is transportation, banking and insurance. These are the activities which is included in the business. And the third point is sale or exchange of goods and services. So there should be a sale or exchange of goods and services between the seller and buyer. There should be exchange of goods and services between the seller and the buyer. That is one characteristics of business, sale or exchange. Selling also should be there, and exchanging of goods and services should take place in the characteristics of business. And the fourth point is dealing in goods and services at a regular basis. ಆಟ್ ಎ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆ ಟಿ ವಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೇಪ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್, ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್, ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ basis, and it is a continuous basis you should follow. And the fifth point is profit earning. As I said in the first point, it is a economic activity and its main intention is to earn profit. The sixth characteristics of business is uncertainty of risk. Uncertainty of risk. So in these characteristics we can see is the business will make a profit and it will also have some losses, and there will be a risk in the business, like human causes or natural causes. It may cause to the business. Those are the risks will be there. We will be not knowing our future. Future is uncertain, no, and uncertain means not sure. The profit also will be not sure and losses also. Same way it is uncertainty of risk. The risk whatever is arising in the future we will not be knowing. And the last point, that is element of risk. The seventh point of characteristics of business is the element of risk. All business activities carry some elements of risk because future is uncertain and business have no control over several factors like strikes, fires, theft and change in consumer taste. These are the elements of risk which is uncertain. So these are the characteristics of business. Characteristics we studied in this session today. The other concepts we will study in the next session. Thank you.